One. Hello guys, welcome to Vidnyankatta's YouTube channel. Today we are going to see an experiment. The name of this experiment or this activity is magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, so here is an electric conductor. Okay, and a pencil cell or a battery, and here is a compass box. Okay, or compass. And what we will do, we will wind a electric conductor around this magnetic needle, or we can say it as a compass. Okay, now first thing we have to study, we have to observe that this magnetic needle that is showing north and south direction. Okay, what happened after conducting the electric current, okay, through this coil that is around this magnetic needle, that we have to observe. Okay, the first thing we will do, we will connect the both ends of this pencil cell, and what happens, we can see clearly that this magnetic needle that is deflecting from its original direction. Okay, yeah, so this is the magnetic effect of electric current.